Welcome to the HUAWEI Ascend assembly video tutorial. Remove the adhesive release paper from the inner side of the headset jack rubber. Attach the rubber to the PCBA headset jack. Use the ESD tweezers to attach one waterproof label to the specified position on the PCBA. Attach the proximity sensor subsidiary board to the front cover assembly. Install the front camera to the PCBA. Install the PCBA to the front cover assembly. Then install the rear camera to the PCBA. Install the speaker to the front cover before installing the subsidiary board to the front cover. Use the ESD tweezers to fasten the RF head to the PCBA, then fasten the other RF head to the subsidiary board. Sort the coaxial cable in the cable groove. Fasten the FPC B2B connector to the subsidiary board. Then fasten the FCP B2B connector to the PCBA. Install the subsidiary board support to the subsidiary board. Fasten the battery B2B connector. Install and fasten the rear camera steel sheet to the PCBA. Install the LCD B2B connector steel sheet and the battery B2B connector steel sheet to the PCBA. Fasten the 7 screws on the PCBA in sequence. Fasten the 8 screws on the speaker and the subsidiary board in sequence. 3 of the 8 screws are black. Use the ESD tweezers to attach 1 warranty labels to the camera steel sheet screw and 1 to the speaker screw. Use the ESD tweezers to attach the Mylar film to the LCD B2B connector steel sheet and the battery B2B connector steel sheet. Use the ESD tweezers to remove the release paper from the rear camera. Remove the release paper from the rear camera. Then install the rear cover to the front cover. Insert the SIM card tray to the card slot. Press the power button to check whether the device can be powered on. Assembly is complete. Thanks for watching.